From dusk till dawn, from Shanghai to the Sahara, we live in a world built on foundations. But foundations can always be made stronger. What if there was a machine without limits? One that could help you and future generations and help build a better quality of life. This is a purpose-built machine with endless possibilities. Introducing the Bucher Cosmix. Our new mobile batching plant uses the most advanced technology available. This revolutionary technology lets you adjust your formula, giving a high-performance mix and increased strength. Together, the conveyor belt and flow control gates automatically deliver the required amount of sand and stone into the mix. The water delivery system is 100% automated to ensure maximum control, regulation, and precision. With onboard dosing systems for liquid, powder, and fiber additives, you can enhance each mixture to suit project requirements. Our control system can save more than 50 different formulas, all at the touch of a button. The mixing auger combines capacity with speed, guaranteeing a maximum flow rate. We have thousands of spare parts in our warehouse, ready to ship to our customers. Complemented by our superior customer service assistance, we will always be by your side to help. This is combined with built-in maintenance technology and a GPS locator to give you peace of mind. This is the on-site concrete mixer that is helping build a better tomorrow. This is a machine built like no other. This is the Bucher Cosmix.